Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and honored to meet you in the beautiful day. Thank you for coming to this presentation. I would like to share about how is the difference of mathematical reasoning between male and female student. Let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Nadia Safona Rubianti and my partner is Budi Usodo and Sri Subanti. We are from 11 Maret University, Surakarta. First, I will explain to you about introduction. Reasoning is construed as a thinking process that involves information on concept and method to obtain the truth in problem solving. Thus, reasoning becomes a crucial element in solving mathematical problems because reasoning can stimulate students to understand that problem better. Several factors involved student reasoning can be influenced by environmental factors or by the student themselves. Another factor that influences student mathematical reasoning is the gender factor because several studies have shown that gender influences student cognitive. This study aimed to determine how the difference in mathematical reasoning between male and female students. The research method is a qualitative research with a descriptive design. The study subjects were 4 students with the high score of female and male in class 10 TKJ Islamic Vocational School, Kawalu, Tasikmalaya. The data collection technique as a mathematical reasoning ability test and semi-structured interview. Based on the result of the answer sheet in figure 4 and interview, S2 had difficulty conducting on the problem giving, so that it could be concluded that S2 had not met the indicator of purposing and performing mathematical manipulation. Based on the result of the answer sheet in figure 5 and interview, S2 has not met the indicator of checking the validity of an argument and drawing conclusion, compiling evidence, providing reasoning, or evidence for solution. Based on the result of the answer sheet in figure 2 and the interview, S1 can make assumptions and perform mathematical manipulation to obtain the correct conclusion. Based on the result of the answer sheet in the figure 3 and interview, it can be said that S1 has not been able to check the validity of an argument and drawn conclusion, complete evidence, provide reasoning, or evidence for several solutions. Based on the answer sheet and interview result, S3 can meet the indicator of proposing allegation and performing mathematical manipulation. Reasoning indicator fulfilled by S3 are drawing conclusion, compiling evidence, providing reasoning, or evidence for solution, but S3 has not made the indicator of checking the validity of an argument. Based on the answer sheet and interview result, S4 can meet the indicator of proposing algorithm and performing mathematical manipulation. Male and female students tend to work on the problem-giving conceptual, namely by memorizing the formula and the working process without developing alternative solutions to existing problems. There is also a research that revealed that male students excel in solving problem-solving tasks that involve strategy in their discussion, while female students are superior when faced with problems presented in memory game. However, it should be noted the female students are also accurate in problem solving even though it takes longer to complete. This study concluded that on the reasoning indicator, male students could only fulfill the indicator of submitting conjecture and performing mathematical manipulation because they experience obstacle in interpreting story question, so that it is difficult to determine that conclusion. Meanwhile, family students were able to fulfill all the given indicator. This is because family tend to be more careful and more thorough in solving existing problem. Thank you for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.